How's it going? I've rode a motorcycle before. For real. So a little bit excited. Our YouTube channel is, let's see, what's it called? Going viral right now again. Derecho video is going a little cray. Hoping that I can purchase a 360 camera. So I want to get the Insta360 and put it right here. Or anywhere for that matter, but I want the dash cam mount for my cars. 2 of them, so I want one for each car so I can just move it around. The mount that mounts it anywhere you want on your bike. The selfie stick that disappears, the one that like invisible selfie stick. Extra batteries with the docking charger. Some screen or like lens protectors. What else? Hello, sir. That was hilarious. You see that kid? Oh, it's like, whoa! I need some kind of a... Have you ever seen that guy that he has like his social media accounts on a card that he keeps like on his bike that he can just like hand out? I think that would be pretty sweet. Trying to see if this is a cop next to me. Nope, it's not. Just checking. What was he doing?
He's running up on me and then running up on you.
I was wondering what he was doing. I couldn't see him though, he was over here.
Driving angry.
I got a backwards camera, I'll check it later.
Yeah.
That was weird, I don't know what that guy was doing. Maybe he was mad because I did a burnout or something. I don't know. Okay, well, that was an interesting ride. That kid's definitely going to be my thumbnail, I'm telling you right now. Okay, I'm going upstairs right now, hooking up, and I'm gonna watch the NASA thing that I'm already 2 minutes late for. Power off, camera out, key in pocket, rear camera off, door unlocked.
So I'm beginning with Bhopal, India. We have a signal from Bhopal. Yes! Excellent! Welcome to NASA! Hello, everybody there!
That felt weird. That felt weird. That felt weird. So I felt like going a little bit different way. Wow, it is nice out. The humidity is very low. Which after it's been really bad, it's kind of nice. It's also garbage set out on the curb time of the year. So everybody's got all their stuff out on the curb, and the county just comes around and grabs it. Anything cool? Anything you want? You want anything? There's a desk. You need a desk? It's kind of a cool desk. It's what are they called? They're horses. They're like wood horses. Is this MetroNet again? There's Abe riding his bike. See him? There he is. Whoop. Oh, a bunch of stuff. Oh, there's so much stuff. Look at it all. TVs, MetroNet. I always wondered how busy this road was. It's pretty busy. My gas gauge definitely must stick or something because I'm pretty sure I had 3 or 4 bars this morning. Then when I just started it, it had 2, maybe 3. Now it has 1 and my light's flashing. Like just all of a sudden. it is accurate to where when my light flashes, I only have 1 gallon left, so that's kind of nice. Wow, that is a giant dump truck. This road is 25 miles an hour. Dishwasher, satellite TV, junk, just a bunch of junk. Imagine if you had like, you know, like semis, and you just came down these streets and you just took everything. You just took it all and you took it back to a warehouse and you just started going through it. Like, do you think there's anything really worth money? There's got to be some old furniture, some old, like, you know, or maybe there's like money hidden in something that somebody didn't know about. All right, nice scooter. This intersection is always a little odd. Too bad we can't race this guy. Did you hear that camshaft? That was delicious. Oh, dude! That's the first crotch rocket that's not waved at me. Are you kidding me? Hopefully he was just looking at something else. That's all I'm gonna say. Never gone on the other side before, but I might have to. No, I'm good. Hopefully I can do all this without getting off the bike again. This is the best place ever. Okay, can you turn off your music because you're copyright infringing right now? Okay, let's see here. I have an existing member. Yeah, my phone number is. And we'll just do this. Okay. Just gonna set this right here. That's where I set it. Thank you. I'll take that. Thank you. And I'll take that. I race you. I hear you and I race you. Okay, you're being obnoxious. The clutch works. 3.9 gallons. Just like normal. All right, we have the key, we have the gas, we have the pump back in, we have our card. Oh, we didn't have to have a card, huh?